Best 5 WordPress plugins for your business website in 2021. Hello friends, my name is Igor from Gallic Digital. In today's video, I will show you 5 most essential important plugins that will improve your website health, security and speed in 2021. If you found interesting plugins that you would like to share with us, just let us know in the comment section. I would really appreciate this. All the links for the plugins will be included in the description. So let's get started. Number 5. Updraft Lose. It's a free WordPress plugin that will allow you to back up your website. So for example, if it's something bad happened to your website, it will get hacked or there will be other website malfunctions that you cannot revert, then this plugin will allow you to restore your whole website content, including databases, links, blog posts, content, pretty much everything without hiring a specialist. It's a free plugin, the link will be in the description. Let's move on. Number 4, an essential plugin for your business website for WordPress in 2021 is Yoast SEO and WP Fastest Cache. Yoast SEO can enhance your website structure look on Google search results or in other search engine. We are calling this meta tag structure. Basically your title, description, star rating, pretty much everything that is visible on Google search results. It can really improve your website organic ranking. It's a free version, you should definitely check this out. The second plugin is WP Fastest Cache. It's a freemium plugin but has most options for free. Basically, what it does, it boosts your website loading speed. It's very important for Google for SEO ranking. Nobody likes slow loading website. You should definitely check this plugin out. If you don't know what is SEO, then just check out my previous video. Let's move on. The bronze medal goes to Akismet Spam Protection with Loginizer. Akismet basically defends and protect your blog posts from annoying and dangerous spammers. It costs only €12 per year, which is completely bargain for what it does. The second plugin that is very useful is Loginizer. Basically what it does, it helps you to fight with brute force attack. If you don't know what is brute force attack, according to Wikipedia, brute force attack consists of an attacker submitting many passwords of passphrases with the hope of eventually guessing correctly. In other words, hackers can use a software that can throw millions of password guesses that can breach your WP admin login panel. And basically it can hurt your business website and also it can hurt your hosting provider, which is not a very good thing for you and your visitors. So Loginizer, what it does, it basically after 3-5 bad guesses of password, like it can block the IP. So there is no more like brute force attack. It's very important for you, so just download this. The link will be in the description. Let's move on. Number 2. One of the best WordPress plugins for your Irish business website in 2021 is Smosh. Many times my clients just forget to optimize their images, and in many cases images were just too big, had huge resolution, and that was very bad for website loading speed. Smosh is a free plugin that can automatically optimize your images without losing any quality on it. Basically, it can save loads of time and loads of space, improving your website loading speed. And definitely you should check out Smosh plugin. The link will be in the description as well. And finally, number 1. The best WordPress plugin for your business website in 2021 is Smashballoon Social Photo Feed. Basically displays your latest blog posts from social media like Facebook and Instagram in a nice wrapped grid. However, if your business operates on Instagram and on Facebook, then you should get a paid version which costs roughly around €42, 49 USD per year. This plugin can dramatically improve your website brand, your website personality, your website trust by displaying your latest feed from social media. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave a like, leave a comment. Have a great night, have a great day. Thank you so much.